We are at 7753 28th Avenue Northwest. Pulling back from City, Maine. I am at an exterior cleanout located on the west side of home. Customers are selling this house and have some root intrusion that they want jetted out. There's the biggest one right before city connection, so still on the customer's property. You'll see a couple of them. Concrete, I warned the customer, is pretty aggregate. Jettable, but pretty aggregate at certain spots. Line is not many roots all the way out to that about 70-foot mark, so should be able to push the jetter all the way out to that first root. But again, this is the pre-jetting video. Here we are in the backyard. Staircase, back fence.
Starting route to 7753.